So we're going to have a B-roll showdown. One, this is a training opportunity for us to just get some practice with the cameras, to get out, to shoot some things. But also we're excited that all three of us are shooting the same thing, and we're going to see how much variety we get when we're all shooting in the same location with the same theme, which is spring. So to start that, Megan, are you present? Megan gets to draw a straw first.
Straw, tubes and paper.
I didn't come up with this part.
So each one of these pieces of paper has a number written in it, and that'll be who gets to pick their camera package first, so there's no fighting.
We can't use the same camera as someone else.
Dang it. I'm number 3.
No! What are you? Ah! I win! I'm going to pick the Nikon 610, and I'm picking the GorillaPod.
Damn it!
One more time, Mike. What was that?
Damn it!
Okay.
Mike's turn.
Drone, pick it.
No, I know. I should just pick the drone and be done with it. Yeah. Just be done with it. Can't remember the. God, I can't think. Because that's what. I just was so fixed on having the GorillaPod that I don't even know what I want.
You can go as big or small as you want.
No!
I think I want the high frame rate.
No! That's what I wanted!
The high frame rate, go with the Sony. Go with the big Sony.
No! I'm sick. I can't take the big package. He doesn't need to laugh.
So that's Mike's camera. I'm picking this camera because I'm probably going to break it, and this one's already broken. So that's kind of my rationale there. And I think I'm actually going to opt for one lens, and I'm just going to go with the 50 and call it good.
Can you take the crappy 50?
No.
Actually, I don't think I'm going to go with the Sony. I'm changing my mind. I'm going to go 750.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Okay, then I'm taking the A7. I'm not even going to complain about rules.
So pick one lens.
One lens.
So I picked one lens. I'm only taking. You can take more than one, but you get to pick one now, and then Megan gets to pick. That way you don't get to pick all of them.
Lens choices. Let's slide this out. I think I'm going to go with the 24.
I think that's what's on there.
Yeah, that was my second choice.
90.
Macro.
Macro.
Doing macro.
Stabilizer. I picked GorillaPod. What is your stabilizer, Mike?
I'll do this glide cam.
Okay, so
Yeah.
that's my package.
GorillaPod.
Mike is doing the glide cam.
I kind of want to slide.
Okay.
Why do I have the distinct feeling that my video is going to turn out the worst?
Better not. I'm kind of rusty.
It'll be fun.
So we are on our way to Corbin Park. That was the chosen destination that we will all be shooting in, and the time limit for shooting is 15 minutes. We are going to put constraints on editing time when we get back, although that's not defined yet.
I think it needs to be pretty quick, though. Personally, I think like 30 minutes.
I think 30's fair.
That doesn't include media management.
Right. I think we just get our media downloaded, get our music in, and then we start the vlog.
Okay. That sounds good to me.
I just ate tacos. Like, that's a lot of stress. I'm not focused on it, but I'm hitting the green button. 15 minutes. Go.
Go.
Okay. Okay. 3, 2.
I'm gonna be done in 15 anyways. I am finished! 45 seconds to spare. How are you, Mike?
I'm doing color.
Mike's doing color. I did an adjustment layer, color the whole thing. Megan! 30 seconds! Are you there? We got some sleepy things. Mike, what was your first response?
That's pretty. Mine's ugly.
Okay.
So mine's kind of experimental slash interpretive slash has one random text thing thrown in there. So.
Oh, I didn't get to add my text title.
I didn't put a text title in either. Dang it!
Mine literally just says.
I can't believe in
spring.
half an hour you can't do full After Effects stuff.
Yay! Oh, wow.
15 minutes? How many shots did you guys have? Like
24 shots.
how many usable shots did you have?
24 shots.
I'm excited. Yay, Mike! Look at all those cuts.
Yeah,
We got razzle dazzly.
Oh, that was awesome. Well done.
Yay!
Other than that, stupid. Whatever.
That was awesome. At least you added a
What-
resolution to your music. I was like, I guess I'll just fade it out.
Blinky.
Look at all that stuff on there. He's even got gnat sound.
Oh, whoa.
Oh, I got
No,
bird
I should
sound
have kept my
effects.
bird strip.
Hey Mike, where are we at on time? Damn it! Debrief, you brought a thingy.
I brought a colander.
Oh my gosh.
And it was amazing.
Did you
so
shoot
glad
through
I
the
brought it.
holes?
I did. And I had so much fun. So I only did it for one shot though, and then I have other shots that we'll see how it feels in the sequence. And of course, airplane magnet.
So, challenges.
Challenges, being on the 90 definitely was a challenge. I wanted to get some like establishing tree shots.
And you
That
had to be a
was
mile
not
away.
gonna happen. So I just stuck with what I was thinking originally, which was macro. Just
I felt good with my choice of gear. My
you got to go
limitation
first.
was my talent really sucked. And I tried this whole running thing, and he just looked overweight and fat, and like, why is this guy running in the video? So I'll see what I can do in post.
I went and had a burrito for lunch, so I picked up this really grimy, gooey bottle. I don't know if you can focus in on that. And it worked terribly. But I did try to incorporate it, and I think I might be able to use it, but it's so bleh. with the Steadicam, it gives you like this nice smooth move. And as we're pulling in, there's a bunch of guys playing basketball over there. And I was like, this should be fun. So we'll see if that works out.
Awesome.
Cool.
Talent release?
No, I said, I'm just doing a film challenge. You mind if I film you? And they're like, no, not a problem.
Perfect. Good job.
And you did the epic run around.
yeah.
Dun 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 dun.
Feeling
Dun dun
epic right
dun
now.
dun.